Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best Chromebooks on the market right now. Perfect for students, remote workers, and anyone looking for a reliable and affordable laptop. Whether you're after a budget-friendly option, a performance powerhouse, or something in between, there's something for everyone. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Let's dive into it. At number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. This laptop is a sleek, lightweight device designed with portability in mind. With its slim design and military-grade durability, it's perfect for students or professionals who are always on the move. It features a 14-inch HD display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, making it sufficient for basic tasks like browsing the web, handling documents, and streaming videos. While the display isn't full HD, it gets the job done for most casual users. Under the hood, the Chromebook Go is powered by the Intel Celeron N4500 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM. While this combination isn't ideal for heavy multitasking, it's more than adequate for Chrome OS's lightweight ecosystem. With 64 GB of storage, it offers just enough space for essential files, though you might want to rely on cloud storage for larger needs. Its standout feature is the 12-hour battery life, which ensures you can power through your day without constantly hunting for an outlet. However, at $275.85, it's on the pricier side compared to others with similar specs. The lack of a full HD screen and just 4 GB of RAM may leave some users wanting more. Still, its portability, durability, and long battery life make it a solid choice for students or light users. Pros include its lightweight design and fast Wi-Fi connectivity, while cons are its subpar screen resolution and limited performance for demanding tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the HP Chromebook 14. This Chromebook strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. Its 14-inch HD display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels offers decent visuals, and the anti-glare screen is a bonus to working in bright environments. Its thin and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, whether you're heading to school, the office, or a cafe. The Intel Celeron N4120 quad-core processor paired with 4 GB of RAM delivers reliable performance for day-to-day tasks like browsing, streaming, and document editing. Plus, with Intel UHD Graphics 600, it's even capable of streaming 4K content. The 64 GB eMMC storage is sufficient for Chrome OS, which relies heavily on cloud storage. One of its standout features is its impressive battery life, up to 14 hours on a single charge. Plus, HP Fast Charge lets you juice up quickly when you're on the go. At $174.98, the HP Chromebook 14 is an excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. However, it's worth noting that the 4 GB of RAM may limit multitasking capabilities, and the screen resolution isn't full HD, which may be a downside for users who value sharper visuals. Overall, this Chromebook is ideal for students and casual users who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros are its long battery life and affordable price, while cons include its lower resolution display and limited multitasking power. In the number 3 spot, we have the ASUS Chromebook CM14, which is the most budget-friendly option on this list at just $162. Despite its low price, this Chromebook packs a surprising number of features. It has a 14-inch HD Nano Edge display with anti-glare technology, making it comfortable to use in various lighting conditions. The design is simple yet robust, with a spill-resistant keyboard and military-grade durability, MIL-STED 810H certified, ensuring it can handle the occasional mishap. The MediaTek Compagno 520 processor, combined with 4 GB of RAM, provides decent performance for basic tasks. It's not a powerhouse, but it's sufficient for web browsing, streaming, and working with Google Apps. The 64 GB eMMC storage is on par with others in this price range, and it supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster connectivity. The ASUS Antimicrobial Guard is a unique feature that helps keep the device hygienic, a small but thoughtful detail. While it's an excellent budget option, the ASUS Chromebook CM14 does have its limitations. The display resolution is only 1366 by 768 pixels, and the 4 GB of RAM may struggle with multitasking. However, for its price, it offers great value, especially for students or anyone looking for a no-frills Chromebook. Pros include its budget-friendly price and durable design, while cons are its lower screen resolution and limited multitasking power. At number 2, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook, which offers an impressive set of features for just under $190. Its standout feature is the 15.6-inch Full HD display, with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals that are perfect for streaming, working, or even light photo editing. The Abyss blue finish adds a touch of style, and its slim design makes it a great option for those who want a larger screen without sacrificing portability. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4500 processor and 8 GB of RAM, this Chromebook handles multitasking and everyday tasks with ease. The 64 GB eMMC storage is typical for Chromebooks, but it's enough for offline files and apps. With a 10-hour battery life, it's suitable for a full day of use. The laptop also features a 720p webcam for clear video calls, and its physical laptop lock ensures added security. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3i offers excellent value for its price, especially with its Full HD display and 8 GB of RAM, specs that are rare at this price point. However, its slightly heavier weight of 5.49 pounds might make it less ideal for those who prioritize portability. Pros include its Full HD display and solid performance for multitasking, while cons are its heavier build and average battery life compared to competitors. Finally, at number 1, we have the HP Chromebook 14A NF099NR, which is the premium option on this list. Priced at $289, it offers top-tier performance and features. This Chromebook comes with a 14-inch HD display, enhanced by an anti-glare panel, making it great for both indoor and outdoor use. The chalkboard gray finish is sleek and modern, while the build quality feels solid and premium. What sets this Chromebook apart is its Intel processor N100 and 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which ensures smooth performance even during multitasking. The 128 GB of UFS storage is a significant upgrade over the typical 64 GB eMMC found in most Chromebooks, offering faster speeds and more space for offline files. Intel UHD graphics allow for 4K streaming, making it ideal for media consumption. With a 12-hour battery life, it's built to keep up with your day. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the HP Chromebook 14A NF099NR offers excellent value for those who need a reliable, high-performance Chromebook. Its combination of a modern design, robust specs, and ample storage makes it perfect for professionals, students, and even light gamers. Pros include its powerful performance, ample storage, and sleek design, while cons are its higher price tag and HD, not Full HD display resolution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect Chromebook for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.